इल्लो डेलिकेट प्रश्न, बट युअर थॉट प्रोसेस इज समथिंग दॅट आय वॉन्ट टू नो. मरिनाक ओपोज जालो, नाव लोकेशन कुशीक दवरया, बाकीची सगळी गजाली कुशीक दवरया. एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट, डू यू थिंक अ स्टेट लायक गोवा requires a concept like marina?
We have to have a very balanced approach. Marinas are there throughout the world, and marinas have got certain economies in a much better state. People who are knowing what is a marina, with how we want it adjustable or flexible to the ecosystem, we have to do it. आणि मरिनाच्या सारकेले गजाल्यो आता ज्या जाग्यार येता थंयचे लोक सेन्सिटीव आसा, तर तांकां पयलीं तांचे कडेन उलोवप और थंय करप काय ना इज वन इश्यू. पूण मरिना ओवरऑल एज फार एज गोवा, वेर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सन, सॅन्ड एंड सी, वी आर हॅव्हिंग इनफ बोट्स, वी आर हॅव्हिंग यॉट्स, वी आर हॅव्हिंग सो मेनी थिंग्स. द होल luxury tourism which is there is on yachts. People who actually travel on yachts, their own yachts, are people who are actually high spenders. So ह्या लोकांक तूं समज करतलो जाल्यार how can we do it? आता नॉटिकल टुरिझमाच्या नावान एमपीडीन ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट केलें ऑन अ पीपीपी बेसीस. दे आर स्टार्टिंग विथ दीस पर्टिक्युलर सर्किट विच विल बी कमिंग हियर. सादें उदाहरण म्हणल्यार 5 वर्सान आमकां जवळ जवळ 1.5 लाख 1,49,000 बिफोर कोविड वेट द गेस्ट विच केम ऑन द बोट. This year they are expecting 62 ships before the thing starts. 62 ships if they are starting there. And imagine once we get this whole PPP model of nautical tourism going opened up, and we are a port of call.
Yeah.
I think we have direct and indirect economic verticals growing, plus employment, self-employment.
So you feel that a concept like marina is required? Where to put it, how to put it, let's come to that later.
Marina, golf course. लोकांक म्हणल्यार लोकांक जांकां खबर ना, दे विल से कितें उलयतात, कितें आमकां गरज कितें आसा काय म्हणून. द बेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल ट्रॅवल डेस्टिनेशन्स फॉर गोल्फ, बेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल ट्रॅवल वेन इट्स मरिनाज. यू पीपल हू आर यूज टू लक्झरी लायफ. आतां जेन्ना लक्झरी लायफ म्हणटा लोक उलट्या वाटेन म्हणटले बारीक मनशाचें कितें. बारीक मनशाक समज पावपा जाय ह्यो वर्टिकल्स, whether it is right from a self-employment to taxi to any business model, we need to ensure that we have the major umbrellas there. As समज Dubai destination zale, Dubai is quite a costly destination today comparatively, but they are selling because they have a lot of things happening. The whole economy is running on tourism today. Maximum things are running. In the past they had nothing. From a desert to what it has come in, today is become creating an example. As तुका आमी कोणाचेर डिपेंडंट आसा, we are dependent on 2 areas. Internationally we are dependent on the Russian and the UK market. We have never explored any of the rest of the markets. We have explored to a certain country. It's time we start exploring the new markets. We can't be continuously on these markets which keep shifting. As e-visaचो इश्यू आसूं, बाकीचो इश्यू आसूं, we have to understand as a country there are bilateral issues. Everybody is trying. ई-विजा आमकां ना कशें कोणें म्हणटा, सगळे जाण ट्राय करता. होम मिनिस्टरा कडेन उलयल्या, मुख्यमंत्री उलयता, चालूच आसा. आनी तातूंत जातकर विल बी हॅपी. पूण ती जावपाक एखादी आतां आयचो प्रायम मिनिस्टर नवो इंडियन समज जालो, थिंग्स मायट इम्प्रूव ड्रास्टिकली फॉर अस. इट मायट बी गुड न्यूज.